Hello and welcome to today's video. Now today we're actually going to talk about the new Nisi Switch system, which comes in this fantastic box, as you can see over here. There's not much of an unboxing to do really. In fact, I've actually opened it because I've used it already today. Looking at the system, you can see it's actually made of the same materials that the V5, the V5 Pro and the current V6 are made out of, and it has the same locking mechanism as the previous one as well. You have this lever over here which you can pull, and it goes onto the adapter ring that goes onto your lens. So I'm just going to give you a little demonstration of how this actually works. So if you imagine my hand as a lens, this actually goes on onto the adapter ring that goes onto your lens and replaces the other filter holder that comes with the kit. You can see from here we have two slots over here. This is the back slot, and then we have the front part over here as well. That's because it can hold two G&D filters, and I'll show you how that actually looks. We've just got them over here. I'm just going to make sure that we're not running out of battery. Now we're all good, right? So I'm just going to get my lovely assistant over here to hold this one for me. Thank you so much. And the way we can do this, we can slide this down the back like so. There we are, that was nice, and that's gone in. And then we will slide one on the front as well, which is over here. There we are, and abracadabra, we're done. Now this is the magical part, this is the best part. This is where we can switch. So the best thing about this is we can actually use two G&Ds in one, and we don't have to take more than one shot, so to get the light at different angles, as you can see over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go outside, we're going to talk about it, we're going to see a demonstration of how it looks on the camera, how it works, and some before and after images of the system as well. So let's find a really good tall building in Dubai and see if we can do a rooftop session over there. So we're here on the rooftop in JLT of this really good building with stunning views of the marina. This is the Nisi Switch system, which is a world exclusive. It's absolutely brand new. It's an addition to your current V5, V5 Pro and your V6 holder system. It basically attaches, as you saw previously, to your current 82mm holder. You also have your step rings if you need to use them, and it's the same principle as all of them. Now the benefit of this is that you can use two filters, G&Ds, to adjust the light accordingly on each side of a building or structure, a mountain, whatever you are really. So I'm just going to demonstrate in the screen here below, as you can see. So as you can see, we have the both sides of the building here, the sky. This looks a little bit under, it's because I pushed the filter out, and this is just about right. So the way we balance this is just by pushing the filter in, and you can see how the light here actually does get better. So I'm actually going to push this side out, and you'll see how it affects it, and see how it only goes onto that side really. Now this filter is actually a bit stronger that I'm using on this side than this side, so hence it will be a bit more darker. But you can see the control is only, there's the line and there's the line, and if I rotate them, you can see they both switch over, and that's exactly what's happening, and I can control it exactly where I want it without worrying about the building itself. I'm just going to show you a without, so I'll just take the holder off. Where is it gone again? There we are. Okay, so here's the holder off. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to put it back on, and oops. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like off. You can see the sky's overexposed, the buildings are blown out. So just to fix it, I'm going to put the filter back on, and there you go, no color loss, nothing as such, and it's all nicely exposed. Now this is a video that you're watching, so obviously for the sake of the video I'm shooting at f5. My shutter speed is at 60 just for the sake of the video, but obviously for the image it'll be different. So that's what it looks like. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back in to the studio, or well, to my room anyway, get on the computer, have a look at the edit and see what it looks like, and you can see the final image. Catch you guys there. So here is an image I took just to expose for the lower part of the buildings and the pond. You can see it's nicely exposed, but the sky, well, the sky is slightly overexposed and really blown out. We have no detail and nothing in the image that looks pleasing. So to correct this, we have used the Nisi Switch system, and we've used the two filters as explained. We can see the light being controlled much better on the left and the right side of the sky. The image is nicely exposed, it might be a little bit underexposed, but nothing hard that can't be fixed. It has a nice color tone and no color loss whatsoever. Right guys, if you enjoyed that video, please do consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye for now.